Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change the currency on booking.com application in 2025. So if your prices are showing in the wrong currency or you are traveling to another country, this is the quick setting that is going to be fixed this problem. First of all, you need to open your booking.com application on your phone. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, by default, you will be on the home page. So simply tap on the option of My Account here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you are going to see a bunch of different options. So among these options, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of Preferences here. In the Preferences section, you will have to simply tap on the option of Device Preferences. Over here, as you can see, we have the second option of currency available. Now by default, it is going to take the currency based on your country. So as I live in India, it has automatically taken the INR as currency. But if I want to change it, simply tap on the current currency that is available here. After that, it is going to show you the list of all of the currencies that you can basically use here in the application. Now some of the popular currencies include AUD, CAD, Euro, USD, then we have Singapore dollar, then we have pounds. So you can choose any of these currencies that are given here. So for example, let's have selected United States. After selecting it, you just have to come out of this section. Then when you come here on the search bar and refresh the page, you are going to see all of the listings in the USD currency, as you can see over here. Now similarly, if I just go back here on this page in order to show you the different currency, for example, let's say I've selected Euro this time. So if I just come back here on the home page and I refresh the application, if I look for any of the sites here, as you can see, it is now showing the currency in Euro. So this way you will be able to change the currency in the booking.com application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.